Gayatri, working as Assistant Professor in EC Department at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today I am going to discuss about the principles of communication subject for the unit mobile IP network layer for the topic mobile ad hoc routing protocols. The introduction to mobile ad hoc network MANET. The MANET stands for mobile ad hoc network, also called as wireless ad hoc network or ad hoc wireless network, that usually has a rotatable networking environment on top of the link layer ad hoc network. They consist of set of mobile nodes connected wirelessly in self-organized, configured, self-healing network without having the fixed infrastructure. The MANET nodes are free to move randomly as a network topology changes frequently. Each node behaves as a router as it forwards the traffic to other specified node in a network. The MANET is a decentralized wireless network consists of the mobile devices nodes that can communicate with each other without relying on the fixed infrastructure. The MANET forms a highly dynamic autonomous topology with the presence of one or multiple different transceivers between the nodes. The MANET, the mobile ad hoc wireless network, consists of peer-to-peer, self-forming, self-healing network. The MANET 2004 to 2015 typically communicate at the radio frequency of 30 MHz to 50 GHz. This MANET can be used in road safety, ranging from sensors for the environment, home health, disaster rescue operation, air, land, navy, defense, weapons, robots, etc. The MANET network can be used. The characteristics of MANET: dynamic topologies. The network topology, which is typically multi-hop, may change randomly and rapidly with time. It can form unidirectional or bidirectional link. The bandwidth constraints: variable capacity link. The wireless links usually have lower reliability, efficiency, stability and capacity as compared to the wired network. Autonomous behavior: each node can act as a host and router, which shows its autonomous behavior. Energy constrained operation: as some or all of the nodes rely on batteries or other exhaustible means for their energy. The mobile nodes are categorized by less memory, power and lightweight feature. Limited security: the wireless networks are more prone to security threat. The centralized firewall is absent due to distributed nature of operation for security, routing and host configuration. Less human intervention: they require minimum human intervention to configure the network, therefore they are dynamically autonomous in nature. Advantages of MANET: it is separated from central network administration. Each node can play both the role, that is the router and host, showing autonomous nature. Self-configuring and self-healing nodes do not require any human intervention. Highly scalable and suits the expansion of more network hubs. Disadvantage of MANET is that the resources are limited due to various constraints like noise, interference condition, environmental conditions, etc. Lack of authorization facilities: more prone to attack due to limited physical security. High latency, that is, there is a huge delay in the transfer of data between two sleeping nodes. Improvement in MANET: first, quality of services. The researchers are working to improve the quality of services to MANET by developing efficient routing protocol for a better bandwidth, throughput and latency. Security: to ensure the security, researchers are developing efficient security mechanism to provide encryption, authentication, authorization. Power management: the efficient power management techniques are used to improve the energy consumption of nodes. Multimedia support: it supports the efficient routing protocols to handle the multimedia traffic efficiently. Standardization: to improve the interoperability of different MANET devices, the researchers are working for standard protocols and interface in the MANET devices. Disadvantage: the IP conflict can occur. The problem with DHCP is that client accept any servers. the client is not able to access the network in the absence of dynamic host configuration server. The name of the machine will be changed in the case when the new IP is assigned. Application, military and defense operation, healthcare, sensor networks, wireless sensor networks and Internet of Things, the MANET network can be used. Assessment, how the security is managed within the MANET, how do MANET vary from regular network and why is MANET important. Thank you.